So guys, if you want to pause it temporarily, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, where it says pause updates, you can now click on this, which will pause for 1 week. You could also change it to pause for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and 5 weeks. It's up to you. So if I just click on this for 3 weeks, it's now being paused for 3 weeks. And it shows the date until when it's going to be unpaused. You could also extend it for another 2 weeks or another 1 week. And now to disable it permanently, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to find background intelligent transfer service. You're going to double click on this. Now once you're on this, you're going to change your service status to stop. And then change your startup type to disabled. And then click on OK. And now you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. You want to scroll down until you find Windows Update. Do the same thing. Double click on it. Service status, click on stop, which will then make it stopped. Startup type, disabled. And then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer and then you should be good to go.